Welcome back to the worst internet beer reviewer ever. Season 4, Episode 5. You believe it? We have an IPA from Young Lion Brewing Company, and that's out of Canandaigua, New York. Your ABV's 6.5 on this one. It says on the can, it's citrus forward IPA. Is loaded with favorite flavors, packed hops, Citra, and Eldorado. But for an even greater kick, we sprinkle in some tasty lupulin mosaic powder. I'm not a fan of mosaic, rather than sticking to the traditional pellet version. Well, let's get on with it, see what it tastes like. It's an IPA. I'm glad they listed the hops on there. Some people don't. And it's open. Smells nice. Get her into the glass. Why wouldn't I? Pour it heavy. Nice color. It's not all going to fit at once. It's got a 2.5 finger head. Someplace in there. Looks like orange juice. Finally got a clean glass. Oh, very fruity. Very fruity. Smells like fruit of some sort, like I said in the last video. Definitely some fruit of some sort. Oh, right up the nose like I always do. Why wouldn't I? So, how do we smell the fruit? Let's get on with the taste. Oh, it's an IPA. Well, taste another taste on this son of a puck. This bastard. SOB means Superb Oriole beer. Not being a fan of mosaic. They use the mosaic powder, I guess. It says on here. Mosaic powder. A lupulin powder. And you can almost taste the roughness of that. Now that I got some in, it tastes a little grapefruity. Got that grapefruit taste at the back end. Of course, I don't like the mosaic. So, I taste some fruities. How you doing? And I taste some hops. The mosaic comes through prevalent. A little citrus flavor. The smell, I still can't tell. It's smells like laundry day, I guess. Like a clean laundry basket. Yeah, that sound crazy or what? Another taste on this sucker. It's not my favorite. On a scale of 1 to 10. Wow. I don't think they should have put the lupulin powder in there. They would have been fine with the Eldorado hops and the citrus. Yeah. Yeah. Young Lion, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give you a 6.5. Would I buy it again? Oh, there's some chunkies in there. Got some floaties. Quite a bit of floaties. Let's put that on the list. So, Young Lion, you goofed up on that one. No filtration on that. I'm sure that's a lupulin powder breaking down. So shame on you. I'll drop it down to a 5. If it gets any worse, I'll pour it back in the can and take it back. But otherwise, would I buy it again? No, not after seeing that. Not after seeing the lupulin powder just floating around in the bottom. Camera's not picking that up. There's tons of chunks in there. I don't mind chunks on a homebrew. But otherwise, yeah, I wouldn't buy it again just because of that. So, Young Lion, I'll take you down to a 5. Down to a 5. So, I'm going to call it there. I'm not going to put it back in the can and take it back. I think that'd be ridiculous, but I think it's a good idea. So, until next time, buy better beer because this one isn't that good. Record the bottom of the glass here showing the floaties. See if I can hold it still. Yeah, not a good one. Not a good one at all. Young Lion. Oh, you got to do better than that, Young Lion. Your beers ain't that good. So we're gonna pour this one back into the can, and we'll take it back. Wait, what do I mean? Look at the chunks. Man, there's some chunks in there. I don't mind that on a homebrew. Let's get a taste of that. Prove it that's the lupulin powder that didn't dissolve. Oh yeah. Yeah. Garbage. We're gonna take you down to a 4. How about a 3.5? You get a 3.5. We'll take that one back. We won't buy it again. Worst reviewer ever? Yeah, this might be one of the worst IPAs I've had too.
Can I offer you a drink?
A beer would be great.
Ah, a beer, she says. Oh, I suppose she'd be talking about me then.
Get out! Get out! I'm the most superior beer here.
You're loco, man. I am the only one, senor.
Hey, very good beer.
Now, hold on there, boy. I'm about the best dang beer she's ever going to try.
There's gotta be a beer here somewhere.
Now, what's that big rock art that I don't?